Hey guys, we will be solving question number 11, and the question states that if for x belongs to the interval 0 to 1 by 4, the derivative of tan inverse 6x root x upon 1 minus 9x cube is root x, then the value of gx has to be calculated. First, we will write down the things which are given to us. So we know that the fx, that is 2 tan inverse 3x root x for x, is in the interval 0 to 1 by 4, and f dash x is 9 root x upon 1 plus 9x cube. So for gx, what we are going to do, that we will do f dash x into gx equal to root x, and for that simply we will calculate, and we can simply see that the root x is present also here in f dash x, and if we do like this, the value of gx would be simply 9 upon 1 plus 9x cube. And if we look closely, the fourth option is the correct one.